Hey guys, welcome to Web Auto Sales at 76 Division Street, Welshpool. My name's Cameron, and on my right we have this beautiful 2019 4x4 3.2 Ford Ranger. This car is a beautiful workhorse, ready to get the job done. Now coming on through, you can see it's got the clean, tidy body. It's sitting on the stock rims, but it's got plenty of rubber on all four sides of this all-terrains. It's a 3.2 again, 6-speed auto. Now looking up the top here, it has got options for 1, 3 and 5 year warranties with Sentinel warranties through national warranties. That is Australia-wide coverage. All you need to do is keep your car maintained based on your Ranger service intervals. Now look at this, it's got the nice decals on the front, it's got the smart bar, it's fully equipped and ready to go and hit the road and get ready to work. Now guys, come on inside and I'm going to show you this feature-packed interior. Not only does it have a full service book done by all dealers, it has your 2 keys there, it has got your full drive, your brake controller, cruise control, reversing cameras, all the lot, all ready to hit the road, get to work, get home, get back, all safe and sound. Now, this is the money show on the back of this car. It's the full setup, it's what you want. It's a full workshop body. You got storage in there, you got an inverter there, you got drawers. Moving on through the back, you got flatbed storage for more room, toolboxes on the other side, roof racks, ladders, the whole shebang. This car has got your money made it on the back. Now, people ask me all the time, how do I afford a car like this? That's where Loans Unlimited come in. They're a great team over in East Vic Park. We've been working with them for about 10 to 5 years doing this sort of thing. They have about 30 different lenders, and they'll get you into this car for 2 to 7 year loan periods. Now, walk on through with me as you can look again at this beautiful condition. Now, look, go on while you're online, look at our Google reviews. We try our best to be honest and upfront with people, and we let them be the real critics of how we do. Now, come on down to 76 Division Street, Welshpool. My name's Cameron, and I'll see you drive this car.